Welcome to microprocessors and microcontrollers lecture session. Today we are going to discuss about arithmetic instructions of 8086. First, we are going to discuss about what are all the instructions are there in arithmetic operations. We have four basic arithmetic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. In addition with these four instructions, we have two more: increment and decrement instructions. Let us see one by one. First, arithmetic instructions, addition instruction. So this is an template of addition instruction. The first, add destination comma source. Here source can be a direct data or memory location or a internal register. Destination always AX register. Destination always AX register. Let us take these two examples. Add AX comma 2020. Here we are going to add the content of AX register by direct data 2020. Let us consider the content of AX register is 1010. If we are adding 1010 by 2020, the result will be 3030. So after the execution of this instruction, the AL register can be altered by 3030. Okay. Next, add AX comma BX. The content of AX is going to add with BX register. Let us say the content of AX is 1010, BX is 200. If we are adding 1010 with 2020, result will be 3030. Okay, here result will be stored as 3030 after the execution of this instruction, and BX register remains same as 2020. Okay, in any kind of instruction, the source register cannot be altered after the execution of instruction. Source register remains same for all the instruction. Next instruction is ADC, addition with carry. In this instruction, the content of source is added with content of destination. Okay, so the result oda content of carry flag add agapogudhu. So let us say this example: ADC AX comma 2020. So idhula content of AX plus 2020 data idoda register CY add agum. So AX content of AX plus 2020 is added with content of carry flag. So carry flag is a single bit. It may contain 0 or 1. 0 or the 0 add agum, 1 or the 1 add agum. Like that, second instruction, add AX comma BX. The content of AX is added with content of BX plus the content of CY flag. That's all about ADC instruction. Next, we are going to discuss about increment instruction. Okay, increment source. Okay, source can be a register, internal register, or memory location. The content of register or memory location is added by 1 while executing increment instruction. So this is an example for increment instruction. INC AX is an first example, and second example is INC within square brace 5050. Before the execution of this instruction, we are going to consider as AX content will be 1010. So after after the execution of this instruction, so in the register content of 1 add on 1010 is added by 1 abdina, result will be 1012. The result will be 1012. If we say the content of content of memory location 5000 is 1011. After the execution of INC 5000, what will be the content of memory location 5000 is 1012. So 1011 ஓட 1 add பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா அது 1012 ஆயிடும். This is called increment instruction. So increment instruction இது என்ன செய்ய போகுது அப்படின்னா it is going to add the content of source register or source memory location by 1. ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ என்ன ரிஜிஸ்டரில் இருக்கிற வேல்யூவோட 1 ஆட் பண்ண போகுது, தட் இஸ் இன்க்ரிமெண்ட் இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன். Next one is decrement instruction. So decrement instruction subtracts content of AX or some memory location by 1. So let us say this example, decrement AX. Before the execution, the content of AX will be 1011. After the execution of this instruction, the content of AX will be 1010, because 10, if we are subtracting 1011 by 1, it gives 1010. Okay. So let us say second example, decrement 5000 with the square bracket 5000. So 5000 is a memory location. The content of memory location 5000 will be 1051 before the execution. After the execution, so if we are subtracting 1051 with 1, abdina, result will be 1050. Okay, so clear? So decrement AX, decrement means subtract the content by 1. That's all, simple concept. Okay, that's all about decrement. Next we are going to discuss about subtraction. Okay, SUB is the syntax for subtraction instruction. SUB destination comma source. Here destination always AX register, source can be any internal register or memory location or direct data. Let us consider these two examples, SUB AX comma 1000, SUB AX comma BX. Let us take this first example, SUB AX comma 1000. Before taking this example, we are going to consider content of AX is 2000. If we are subtracting 2000 by 1000, the result will be 1000. Okay, this result will be stored in AX register. So next, SUB AX comma BX. Here we are going to subtract AX, content of register AX by content of register BX. Let us say the content of register AX is 2000 and register BX is 1000. Okay, after the subtraction of these two registers, result will be 1000. If we are subtracting 2000 by 1000, result normally 1000. So there is the result will be stored in destination register AX. Okay, while BX remains same. Always source register, if two different registers are involving source and destination registers, abhina, source register remains same after the execution of any instruction. Next, SBB. SBB stands for subtract with borrow. Here we are going to subtract the content of destination register with content of source register and the content of borrow. Let us say this example. Let us take this example, SBB AX comma 1000. If SBB AX comma 1000, here microprocessor will subtract content of AX by direct data 1000 and the result of these things by 1. Okay, so register AX has the value 2020 and direct data is 1000. So this instruction will subtract the value 2020 by 1000 and result will be 1020. Okay, so SBB instruction அப்படிங்கிறதுனால borrow ஓட subtract பண்ண போகிறோம். So consider borrow as 1. So 1020 minus 1 will be 1019. It will be stored in AX register. Next, SBB AX comma BX. Let us consider content of AX is 2020, BX is 1010. If we are subtracting 2020 by 1010, result will be 1010, 1010. If we are subtracting 1010 by 1, the result will be 1009. And source register remains same. That's all about SBB instruction.